from East Africa, amjambo. Wale wengine hawaelewi Kiswahili, how are you? Welcome to this lesson where we are going to take a by construction of isosceles triangle. I know you are aware of the simplest triangle for you to identify is equilateral, where you find all the lines are equal. The three lines are equal. Then we have the three angles are equal. So everything in equilateral is equal. Equilateral, from the word equilateral. The sum of the interior angles is 180 degrees, my friend. Then they add up to 180 degrees. That is what you need to know about equilateral triangle. Our triangle today is isosceles. Isosceles triangle. What do you need to know about isosceles triangle? Two of the three sides are equal. Wonderful. Two of the angles are equal. And it does not mean it is a must the bottom angles are the equal ones. You can find this angle and this one, they are equal. This one and this one, they are equal, and so on and so on. Then we have the angles, the interior angles which are inside the triangle. They add up to 180 degrees. 180 degrees, the sum of the interior angles. Let us go to the real construction now, the actual construction. We want to use these examples. Construct a triangle HJK whose angle KJH is equals to angle KHJ, which is equals to 15 degrees. And make sure you're following, my friend. And line HJ is equals to 6 centimeters. Measure lines HK and JK. Where do you start when you are constructing any triangle, any finger? There is a starting point, which is sketching. Sketch, so that you don't keep referring on the question, you just sketch. And of course, a triangle has three sides, so you just sketch something like that. Then the letters are, you can start with the bottom line. We must have a line first. And also for you to construct well and easier, make sure the two angles are at the bottom. Which are the two angles? One of the angles is at the letter J. Remember, if you are given angle KJH is equals to 50 degrees, it means the angle is where we have J, that is where we have 50 degrees. So it means J is there. This angle is 50 degrees. 50 degrees. Then we have the other one, which is KHJ, which is also 50 degrees. Remember, we have this side, meaning the two angles are equal. So this 50 degrees is also where we have H. So H is here. And automatically the other letter is at the top, which is K. So this triangle is called, remember here we have 50 degrees. This triangle is called JHK or KJH or JKH. You can give that triangle one of those names. Then we have HJ is 6 centimeters. HJ is 6 centimeters. So we have put all that information on our sketch, so that is where we're supposed to start. Then use these three equipment for you to construct isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. You use pair of canvas, ruler, protractor. These are the equipment which you're supposed to use to construct triangles and the other fingers like quadrilaterals. But today we are talking about construction of isosceles. So you start by drawing the bottom line, which is 6 centimeters. Since you have sketched, you don't need to go back to your question. unless you are stuck or unless you never put all the information on the sketch. So that sketch will help you to draw very fast because it means you have understood the question. So you draw 6 centimeters. Our line is 6 centimeters. My rule if I say 6 centimeters from here, so I'm going to use 5 centimeters to represent 1 centimeter. Like this one, for example, you will find that I'm drawing, we can move together. Wherever you are, just draw this line which is 6 centimeters. Just draw a line which is 6 centimeters. Let us move together, my friends, let us move together. So you just draw a line. Measure this at the center of your page so that you can draw the others at the top. So you draw a line which is 6 centimeters, like that. 6 centimeters. Wonderful, wonderful. That is 6 centimeters. According to our sketch, we said here we have J, here we have H, then we have 6 centimeters. That is the point number 1. That is where you're supposed to start. Then the other measurements were given at the angles. K, J, H, or H, J, K. It is 50 degrees. So you start where we have this mark. There. Where they are meeting with this one, you can put... remember I said my protractor, this one. This is the horizontal line, which is representing 180 degrees. Then we have another one, which is 90 degrees. They are meeting at this point. So where your two lines are meeting, that is 118 degrees and 90 degrees. That is where you are supposed to put here. We have tools which you are supposed to use when you are measuring angles. First, measure where your angle is starting here, that mark. It is where we have the 180 degrees and the 90 degrees meeting. So we have that. The other rule you need to follow is measure the horizontal line. Don't put your protractor like that. Measure your horizontal line is lying completely on this line, like this. Yes, 180 degrees. Then we have that mark there. Since our line is here, we are using the inner scale. Why? Because you can't start counting from this line 108, 170, 160, 150, 140. That is wrong, my friend. You're supposed to start from this line, bottom line. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Remember, we are measuring 50, so we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Put a dot. Well, the best thing you can do is to make sure you can make a hole there using your pencil or your pair of hammers. Then you make sure you are accurate for you to get accurate measurements. Measure the horizontal line is lying completely on this one, the one with 180 degrees. Then, where these two marks are meeting, you put it there at the beginning. There. Like that. Identify 50 degrees, which is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Like that. Then you draw a long line because you don't know where the two lines are meeting. This line and this one. So you draw this line which should be long enough because you don't know where they are meeting with the other one. So you draw from this point. Like that. You draw your line like that. This angle is what? This angle here is 50 degrees. But we don't know the measure. According to our question, we are not given the measurements of the lines apart from this one. So we don't know the length of this line. But we are going to know the measurement of the lines when we draw the other angle, which is 50 degrees. So you stand at 8, you draw 15 degrees. So you go to the other side. My friend, make sure you're following. I know you're a very good person. So you have this. You have that. Put your protractor properly on this edge. Here now. This is the point where the 90 degrees is meeting with 180 degrees. You put it like that, there. Is that okay? No, it's not okay, my friend. So make sure your horizontal line, the one on your protractor, is lying completely on the line, that is 180, and the 0 mark. So this is 0 mark. Now we are not counting 100. Remember this side we don't have any diagram. A diagram is on the other side. Here. We have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You can't start 0, you can't start 180, 170, 180. My friend, that is wrong. That is wrong. So we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is our angle. We wanted to measure 50 degrees. 50 degrees. Get your ruler. Then you measure. You draw. You draw a line from H through our point, which is one of our angles, which we measured, which is 50. So from H through this dot, you touch the other line. That is our triangle. This is 50 degrees. This is 50 degrees. Remember, we don't need this line now. We have drawn our triangle. So here we have letter K. We have letter K. What is our question? Measure lines HK. Measure line HK. HK. Let us measure. We measure this in your ruler. Measure line HK. So we have 4.5. The other one is what? The other one is also 4.5. You can also confirm whether they are equal using your divider. Divider is the one with sharp tips. This one's both sides, but I'm going to use a pair of hammers. So you draw, you extend, that. For you to confirm, you take to the other side, you see whether they are equal. So those two lines are equal. This one, breaking news. These two lines are equal. This one is 4.5 centimeters. This is 4.5 centimeters. You can also measure this angle. You can measure this angle. You can measure the angle, you see the measurement for that angle. So we have 80 degrees. This one is 80 degrees. You note that 50 plus 50, that is 100 plus 80, you get 180 degrees. 180 degrees. I guess we are together up to there. The next question, we are going to move slowly together so that you understand completely. So we are not doing question number 2. We're doing question number 2. So we are saying the angle here is 80 degrees and the lines are equal. Of course, the first thing which you're supposed to do is you read the question and understand. Construct triangle EFG, whose FG is 7 centimeters, EF is 4 centimeters, make sure we get together, 4 centimeters, and EG is 4 centimeters. What is the measure? Just leave the questions like that. This is what we are going to sketch. EFG. EFG. That is our triangle. Of course, triangles in a card. This is how triangles look like. Then you are told all of them are lines. So you can just put any letter anywhere. The construction will be the same. But let us start with the first one. We have FG, which is 7 centimeters. Then we have E. Of course, the other letter here is E, because we only have 3 letters. E, F, G. Then EF is 4 centimeters. Then EG is 4 centimeters. I'm saying even if you sketch your triangle anyhow, but this one may disturb you. It may disturb you, so just sketch a very nice triangle. Even if you call this one GE, but not GE or EG, it will be 4 centimeters. Then we have the other letter here will be F. FG is 7 centimeters. Then we have EF. EF is 4 centimeters. If you draw this one and this one, the results will be the same. The measurements will be the same. The angles will just be the same. So as sketch, just I'm drawing to help you do your construction very fast. So let us move together from step 1 to the last one. So let's move together. Let us move together. The first thing we say is to draw the bottom line. The bottom line, which is FG. Get your ruler, your pencil, then draw the bottom line, which is FG. Just draw 7 centimeters. Draw 7 centimeters. Somewhere at the center of your page, just use a new page. So you draw FG, that is line FG, which is 7 centimeters. I said mine is written 70, but I just want to use that one as 7 centimeters. This one is F and this one is G. Then we have 7 centimeters there. Up we are together. Those who are still drawing that line, move faster. Just draw line 7 centimeters. From there, because we are not given any angle, when you find you are drawing a triangle and you are not given any angle, you are supposed to use these two things. Ruler, pair of compass. So this is what you so others they call it compass. It's okay. So you use those two equipment. You just need to measure from F to E. You are measuring 4 centimeters. So you are measuring 4 centimeters. Measure 4 centimeters using your ruler and your pair of compass. Measure 4 centimeters. Maybe will be up where we have 40. There. So what I'm adding now, make sure you have that. We have 7 centimeters which we have drawn. Now we are drawing from F to E, which is 4 centimeters. So let's move together. From F, we don't know, we can't locate where we have E. So for us to locate E, we must draw 4 centimeters from F and 4 centimeters from G. So let us start with this one, which is F to E. Just draw a big mark or a long arc. Long arc. These ones are called arcs. Not marks, they are arcs. These are arcs. So you make arc like that using 4 centimeters. Then you make sure you are only using 1 arc. If you make many arcs like this one, you just repeat. Then you make sure your measurement is okay. You make sure your measurement is alright. Your measurement is alright. My friend, make sure you are accurate, because if you don't use accurate measurements, you are going to get inaccurate results. This is a length. This is representing from here up to here. This is 4 centimeters. So you stand where we have F here. Just make an arc. Just one. Don't do this. That is 4 centimeters. Make sure you have done that. Then you relax. If you have done that, just relax. After making that arc, you don't need to measure again 4 centimeters. You are told this one is 4 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters. You don't need to measure. If you measure, to just be the same, to be 4 centimeters. You can see now it is 4 centimeters. There we are. So that is 4 centimeters. That is why I was saying you don't need to measure, because you are not going to adjust. So from G here, cut the other arc, this one, just like that. This is now our point E. This is point E, and we don't need this. We don't need all these long lines. We just needed this point where the 2 arcs are meeting. This one, you can make all there. So that it can help you in identifying the correct point. So from there, join where the 2 arcs met. Make sure we are together. Make sure you have drawn. Let me take you slowly. So we add this. I say this is 4 centimeters. Stand there, make an arc. Using the same because it is 4 centimeters. Make another arc so that you cut the original or the previous arc. Wherever they are meeting here, that is our point E. Point E. So let us join. Let us join. We have that point joined to this one. Join like that. Wonderful. Some of you will be building houses, my friend. And these are some of the constructions you'll be constructing in the future. Those who are learning. So you join the other point to F. Wonderful. Breaking news. That is a triangle. This is a triangle. Triangle EFG. EFG. That is our triangle. That is what they told us to construct. What are their questions? Let us show them we are very good when it comes to maths, my friend. What is the measure? What is the measure of EFG? This mark means angle. EFG. Where are you placing your protractor? Because angles are measured using protractor. Where are you putting? I'm too serious. Where are you putting your protractor? This one. Remember I said we have rules which you are supposed to use when you are measuring angles. The first rule, make sure the horizontal line here is lying completely on your horizontal or one of your lines. Remember angles are made using 2 lines. This one is angle made by 2 lines. This is angle made by 2 lines. This is angle here made by these 2 lines. So one of the lines should be covered by a horizontal line. Then where the 2 lines are meeting here, you make sure it is where we have this plus mark. The horizontal 180 degrees and 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So we have that. We have 180 degrees there. Then this is the other line. So from 0, don't tell me the angle is 150, my friend. This is very small angle. It can't be 150 degrees. 150, it means it came from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 90, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150. We are just starting from this line to the other line, which is 0, 10, 20, 30. So this one is 30 degrees. So which angle is this? This is angle EFG. EFG is 30 degrees. You can measure the other one. That is EGF. EGF. Measure angle EGF. Meaning you are placing your protractor where we have G here. You want to measure that angle. Measure that angle. Measure that angle. Those who don't know how to measure, take your protractor. The horizontal line must be lying on one of the lines which are making the two, or which are making the angle there. Then make sure the horizontal line covers that line like that. Then you count from 0, 10, 20, 30. 30 degrees. This is also 30 degrees. 30 degrees, we have 30 degrees there. Then you can also measure the other angle. Measure the other angle, like that. Where we have the horizontal line and the vertical line of 90 degrees meeting, put it where the 2 lines making the angle are meeting. Are we together? Yes, I hope we are together. Let me answer myself. So we have our angle is made by the 2 lines, this line, this one, this line here, and this one. That is our angle, this one. So we start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 120, 110, 120. So our angle is very big. It's 120 degrees. That is where we are, 120 degrees. So angle F, E, G, this is it. This one where we have E, we have got 120 degrees. What can you say about all these angles? 30 plus 30, that is 60. 60 plus 120, you have 0, 8, 1. So the sum of the interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Two of the angles, this one and this one, they are equal. Two of the lines, this was 4 centimeters, this was 4 centimeters. Four of the lines are equal. Those are the properties of an isosceles triangle. Hope you have followed. Thank you very much for watching and listening carefully and also trying. Make sure you do more practice for you to understand. Thank you very much and may God bless you. Continue working hard. Continue working hard. Bye-bye.